Welcome to Lee's tip of the day. Today's tip is about what oil we should be cooking with. And my tip is to cook with coconut oil. Why? Oh, gosh, there's so many benefits of coconut oil. I would be here all day. So Google it, do some research and you'll see. But things like aiding our digestion, helping our liver and kidneys, our immune system, our bones, weight loss. The whole shebang, it's fantastic. You can put it in your hair, you can use it as a massage oil, there's lots of uses as well. But I'm going to talk about it for cooking. And the interesting thing about coconut oil is that it keeps its state at a high heat. So if you're cooking a stir fry, for example, and you put in olive oil, it actually turns the olive oil toxic. So you've got this nice healthy meal with your toxic, oil in it. It's crazy, makes no sense. So this will keep its state at a higher heat. It's brilliant. I know it doesn't make all your food taste of coconut, and it tastes like a sumptuous spoonful of sunshine. Yes, it does. I've had this for a while now. It lasts a long time. I got it from, I think it was Tesco's. It was about £7, a bit more expensive, but like I said, it goes a long way. You don't need much of it. It turns runny when you cook with it. It really is fantastic. And have you tried it? Do you use it? What kind do you use? Leave your comments because it will help other people. The only thing I will say is make sure you stay away, if you're ordering it online, for RBD coconut oil. This is refined, it's bleached, it's deodorized, so it doesn't smell, it looks clear, and it's got all its goodness taken out of it. But pure, organic, virgin coconut oil, knock your socks off, give it a go, and as always, let me know what you think of it.